We are having people from Philippines. We are having
story and journey over there. It's now time to hear a few words from our fantastic divas who are here. I'm sure they're very excited to perform, but we want to hear it from them. So I'm going to start with you, Chitrangda. If you can please take the mic and just share with us.
Um, uh, this is my first time with Country Club, thank you. And I was told that this is going to be the Asia's biggest show. So I'm very happy to be part of that. And yeah, and I think it's just getting bigger and you know, like you said, it's expanding so much. So it's good to be part of this. Yeah, thank you.
It's actually the first time I'll be performing anywhere on New Year's Eve, so I'm excited. It's always good to do these live events because you get to interact with people and meet them. And I'm happy that this is the second time I'm doing something with Country Club, right? So I'm quite happy about that. Thank
Great.
you.
We're also looking forward to the performances and days.
Well, first of all, good afternoon, everyone. I have been a part of Country second year with them, and the best thing about it that I joined Mr. Reddy on Country Club on Country Club's 25th anniversary. So it's in a way it's a very good thing, something that I'll never forget. And I guess the relationship is just getting stronger every year. That's it, and I'm happy to be a part of it again.
And be glad to take questions from media. Of course, it's a request, and I'm truly be appreciative if we abide by it, that the New Year bash that is being planned up. So I'll open the house for questions, and you can just raise your voice. We'll bring a mic across to you. Yes, ma'am.
चित्रांगदा जी, मेरा प्रश्न ये साल को बहुत ही अलग तरीके से या अच्छी तरीके से मनाने का
मैंने क्या किया है? Well, एक तो I'm going to perform, so I think मेरा नया साल शुरू होगा दुबई में, so you know it will be a big celebration, and उसके अलावा of course there's work, there's films, and उसका excitement और जो उसका वो है, of course that will carry on into the next year, so yeah, a lot of work, a lot of hard work, so that's it.
This is Rajinder Singh from Makrana magazine.
नहीं, मैं खाली परफॉर्म कर रही हूँ, कोरियोग्राफर मैं नहीं हूँ।
और ऋचा जी, आपका हमने ट्रेलर देखा, बहुत अच्छा लगा, उसमें बड़े बोल्ड आपने डायलॉग बोले हैं।
और किसी दुनिया
उनके बारे में कुछ कहा था आपने ओपनली
जी बिल्कुल,
ट्रेलर लॉन्च में?
वो कैरेक्टर जो है चार्ल्स सोबराज का, सब उससे वाकिफ़ हैं, बिकिनी किलर बोलते थे उन्हें, तो उन पे वो डायलॉग सूट होता है। और रही बात 2016 की परफॉर्मेंस की, आई थिंक it will be nice, it will be a celebration, or nothing bold about it.
Now we want to see you this thing, dancing, and
All right.
didn't see you on the screen dancing
Okay.
performance.
Right.
Yes, next
This will
question.
be new thing for you.
Yes, new for me.
मिस्टर रेड्डी, ये
One second.
मिस्टर रेड्डी, ये जो बैश है, मतलब कौन से पैरामीटर्स पे ये चीज़ें क्लियर हो जाती हैं कि सबसे बड़ा बैश आप ही कर रहे हैं पूरे वर्ल्ड में?
well, if you मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूँ।
इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे तमाम कंपनीज हैं।
No, मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूँ, who is the competitor?
ये मैं आपसे सवाल कर रहा हूँ, ये मैं उत्तर नहीं दे
Like clubbing industry में, I hope there is some competition because there is no competition. And if there is a club in the country, there is only a country club. And in holiday industry, maybe there is, in country club there are 4 verticals. One is country club, that is clubbing industry. Next is in the same country club, holidays. Third is fitness center. Fourth is events. ठीक है? Clubbing में, what we are having clubbing? What we are having 65 clubs in India, Middle East and all that. ठीक है? Second is holidays. जो हमारे holidays बहुत देते रहते ना. Holidays में, if you see in the press of a button today, members can access their own holidays. It is so members can have their own holidays. In that way, we give their holidays. Maybe Mahindras and Sterling are the only people in the listed entity. Number 2. Number 3 is fitness centers. we are having fitness centers. Even Bombay mein, we are having 5 fitness centers. Juhu, Borivali and all these places. And Middle East mein, we are having about 10 fitness centers. Events, we are having the topmost stars like Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Govinda, Vivek Oberoi. Everybody has performed. Take na? Like if you see nobody else, like Mahindra doesn't give, Sterling doesn't give, and all this. So, like, we are in that right from the beginning. 25 years ke baad hai, 25 saal ke baad hai. So we are totally involved in that. There is no other company in the world. ये हल्लू ग्रो होता है, एक दिन के बाद नहीं है ना.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच. रिचा, मेरा चार्ल्स सोबराज से मिलकर कुछ
जी,
ऐसा.
मैंने गई थी.
कौन कौन गया था आपकी टीम से?
वो टीम गई थी, मैं शूटिंग कर रही
Sorry,
थी. आज
can we stick
आज
to
हमारा
questions at
protocol
all?
यहाँ.
Thanks, Richa. So,
Oh, thank you, madam. I'm so honored. Well, it's always an honor, actually. And, I mean, well, I
We
think.
didn't ask to be rated, yeah, by you. Thanks. Thanks, huh? It's not Miss India. 7 on 10, 9 on 10. Thanks.
No, all of them are nice and very pleasant to people. And I mean, definitely, I mean, I can't say she is nice or she is. First January. Because, I mean, at my stage in life, you know, I always like to put an exit button and say that least tension person is the most important person for me and for my company and for my members. And, you know, I'm a business guy, I'm a corporate guy, and I'm not here to have anything to do with anybody. So you can, so it's very.
So, Mr. Reddy, one important question. Like,
Honest, every previous year I've made plans with my family. This time my family's made a plan without me. So I'm free.
so yeah, Richa.
It's the first time I'm performing. I've
Yeah,
done a
performing,
tiger
yeah.
conservation.
But again, you have been associating for the second time. Right. And like Daisy also second year. Chitrang the first year. So how does it feel, you know?
Well, you know, every time you go for like she said, you know, you do a live performance, it's a great feeling. And I haven't done a New Year's before, like she said. There's always a plan with the family. So this time, yes, there wasn't much plan in place. And then this came along and it was, you know, I've seen how they've done, like you all have seen, you know, there've been some very good shows and year after year it's just getting bigger. So yeah, so I thought, and of course Country Club is something which is very visible. You know, I think it's really well marketed and it's talked about, and I think he does a great job with the media around Country Club. So yeah, so I thought it would be a good idea to be part of this. And I will let you know on the 1st of January how it went, like he just said. So yeah, I'll let you know.
Richa. Your impressions.
sorry,
about-
we'll take one after the other. So.
We have not yet decided, like this is the first time I guess the entire thing is starting from today. So later we'll be meeting the choreographer, then deciding on the songs and everything. So it is too early to say right now. Yeah, obviously, yes. That is something what I'm known for, right? So there's no way that I cannot leave Jeho songs behind. I have to be performing on them.
Hi, this is Sonia.